Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Math. Today we are going to see Class 6 Maths Chapter 1 Numbers, in which the topic is operations on numbers. So far we have been doing sums and problems in addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. That is, every sum had only one operation. Now we are going to do a sum which involves more than one operation, that is 2 or 3 or 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. All the 4 operations we are going to have it in the same sum. So how to do that sum? For that we have a rule called BIDMAS, BIDMAS, BIDMAS. Earlier it was BODMAS, only this brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, right? BODMAS. So only 4 operations were there. Now it is changed into BIDMAS. That is, I also represents one operation which you won't be studying in 6th standard. You will be studying this topic in 7th standard. So now this class will be following brackets, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. But just to remember the rule, you have it with I also. The rule is BIDMAS. But we will be doing brackets, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So B for brackets, I for indices, which is not now, and then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So we'll see an example how to follow this rule. For example, suppose you have a sum like this: 3 into 4 plus 7. So what do? Normally we just move from left to right. Whatever operation is there first, we will be doing it first, and second operation second will do. Okay, we follow the same procedure. First we'll multiply 3 into 4. 3 fours are 12 plus 7. So in this, after one step, the 2 operations will reduce into one operation, and 3 numbers will become just 2 numbers. Now 12 plus 7 is easy to add. It is 19. Okay. Now the same sum we'll see the other way. What is the other way of doing it? 3 into 4 plus 7. See, numbers are same, even the operations are same. But what we are doing, some of us we feel like doing addition first. So we keep 3 as it is, multiplication as it is. 4 plus 7 is 11, and 3 11s are 33. But even though we are having the same numbers and same operations, and the order is also same, but we are getting 2 different answers. So that means one method must be wrong and one should be correct. So that is a proper method to follow. All of us, whoever does the sum, and the answer should be same, and it should be the correct method. For that only we have the rule called BIDMAS. There are certain steps to be, certain conditions to be followed to have the same correct answer. So what does it say? First we have to perform the brackets. There are no brackets given here. So then what is the next operation? Division. We don't have division. We have only multiplication and addition. So which operation has to be done first? Multiplication first and addition second. This is how we have to follow the order. So now first is multiplication. So 3 fours are 12, and then after performing multiplication, then addition. 12 plus 7 is 9. So 12 plus 7 is 19. So here in the first method only, the rule is followed. So 19 is the correct answer, and this is the correct way of doing the sum. This is the wrong method of doing the sum. Here rule is not followed. We just followed however we felt it easy. But here this is the rule to be followed. First is multiplication. It is not the first operation. We are doing in the rule whichever operation comes first. Multiplication first, addition second. So we have done multiplication first and addition second. Now we'll see one more example. Few more we'll see so that you understand better. Next is 9 minus 3 divided by 3. So we are having the operations subtraction and division. You see which one comes first? We have subtraction and division. So we have subtraction and division. Which operation has to be done first in this, or according to the order in the rule? Division first, subtraction second. So we'll be doing division first. 3 divided by 3 is first. Put a bar for it. This line is called bar. That means we are going to perform the operation between these 2 numbers first. And the rest of the numbers we have to write as it is. 9 as it is, minus as it is. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now 2 operations become 1 operation. Operation means it is there for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, now we had subtraction and division. Now we have finished division. We have left with only subtraction. Now 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay, what is the other way of doing it? As you move from left to right, first operation and then second operation. 9 minus 3 is 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. You see? When you change the order, you get 2 different answers. So where did we follow the rule? We have followed the rule in this here only. First division is the first operation. Subtraction is the second operation. So this is the correct way of doing it. This is wrong. because division has to be done first. Okay, this is just I've showed you. If you follow two different methods, you'll be getting two different answers. But therefore, we have to follow the rule to get the correct answer. So now we are with brackets. We'll see one sum. We have 4 plus 6 divided by 3. And we have brackets. See, if you see only the operations, we are supposed to do division first. But before division, what is the rule says? Before division, we have brackets. Brackets is first. After completing the bracket, whatever is inside the bracket, that has to be done first. It can be addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. It can be any operations. But within the brackets has to be done first. So what do you have within the brackets here first? Within the brackets, it is addition. So we have to do 4 plus 6 first. 4 plus 6 is 10 and divided by next number is 5. As you complete this operation, bracket is removed and two operations have become one operation. Now 10 divided by 5 is 2. This is your put equal to, this is the correct way of doing it. Suppose if we do the other way around, suppose if the bracket is for next two numbers. Now there you will get different answer. 4 plus, within the bracket has to be done first. Here the bracket is for division, so that has to be done first. So 6 divided by 5 is, we cannot divide 6 by 5, so it will become 6 divided by 5 like this. So it is a fraction, it is like a improper, it's like a mixed fraction. So convert it to mixed fraction, what do? Multiply 5 into 4, then add with 6. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 6 is 26 by 5. So this will give a different answer. If the bracket is for first two numbers, we are getting different answer. If the bracket is for division, then that is a different answer. This is so, even though the numbers are same, the operations are same, but depending on the bracket, we get two different answers. So this can be, we can take, this is one sum and this is another sum. It can be taken like that. Okay, now we'll see one more example. That is here 7 divided by 3 plus 4 into 6. So what has to be done first? We have division, multiplication and addition. If you see without brackets, we will be performing division first. But we cannot do it because there is a bracket. Whenever there is bracket has to be done first. So what do? Write this first number as it is, division sign as it is. Within the brackets, 3 plus 4 is 7 into 6. Now 3 operations have become just 2 operations and 4 numbers, they have been reduced to 3 numbers. Now bracket is removed. Now you follow the order of operations. We have division and multiplication. Which one is first? BODMAS. You can just write the near of column like this, BODMAS. Write and check which has to be done first. Division, we have division, multiplication. So first is division, multiplication is second. So we have to do division first. So put a bar for the division. The 7 divided by 7 is 1 into 6. Now 3 numbers have become just 2 numbers. Now 1 6, then the second is multiplication, 1 6 are 6. This is the correct way of doing the sum. See one more, we have all the 4 operations. So which one will you do first? Subtraction, multiplication, addition, subtraction, division, addition and multiplication. So come with the order first, division first. You see, division first. So first is division. Rest of the operations, rest of the numbers, write as it is 6 minus as it is 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, then plus 5 as it is into as it is 7 as it is. Okay, now we have subtraction, addition and multiplication. Which one you have to do first? After division we have to multiplication. Then which is becomes 6 as it is, minus as it is, 2 as it is, plus as it is, 5 7s are 35. Now we have subtraction, addition. Which is first? When you have subtraction and addition, look at this addition, we have addition and subtraction. Which is first? Addition is first, subtraction is second. So we have to add them first. This is minus 2. 2 has to be subtracted. So which are the numbers to be added? Addition is between 6 and 35. So you add 35 and 6 plus. When you add 6 and 35, you get 41. Addition is finished and then minus 2. So 41 minus 2 is 39. This is 39. And here one more small hint I want to give you children. When you have only addition and subtraction, I'm repeating it. When you have only addition and subtraction, you can move from left to right also. See, even if you do this way, you will get the same answer. If you're moving from left to right, that is, we will be doing the first operation first, second operation second. 6 minus 2 is 4 and plus 35. 35 plus 4 is 39. So this from left to right, that is the first operations to second operation, next operation we can follow. When you have only addition and subtraction, only plus and minus. If you have multiplication and division also, this cannot be followed. When you have only plus and minus, we can go for we can do either adding addition first and then subtraction, or first operation first, second operation second. You can just move in the order. That way also you will get the same answer. So this is the the concept of BIDMAS rule. I hope you all have followed this BIDMAS. Thank you, children. We'll see you in the next video.